Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. Are you preparing for MBA MAT examination but you're worried that you don't have a specific study materials with you? You want to score good but again you don't have a concrete resources for it. How are you gonna prepare for it? Don't worry guys, stay tuned in this video because we're gonna look at some best books for preparations for MBA MAT. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for 2023 and 24 where you get live classes and classroom sessions. You get books, ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos. You get topic wise test, you get full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You get 10,000 plus questions to solve. You get a proper mentorship, as well as you will also be prepared for the GD, VAT as well as the PI. You can prepare for MBACET, CAT, MAT, ATMA, IIFT, SNAP or other various MBA examinations. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom session, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our center. You can contact our number at 8828581455 or else you can visit the official website www.manualedu.com for more information. Now let me take you to the official website of Manual Education and guide you where you can get the proper books for the entrance preparation. Alright, so this is the official website of Manual Education. Click on Buy Online, click on MBA Entrance. The second tab is for books and study materials. Click on Show Package. The first tab you see over here is non-CAT books. Click on View Details. You get Quantitative Aptitude, English, Reasoning, Data Interpretation and General Studies. This set of books is of hard copies. So if you want to order these books, you simply have to click on Add to Cart and this book will get delivered to you within 7 working days, pan-India level. If you don't want the hard copy books, you can simply order the ebooks as well. Click on View Details. You get Quantitative Aptitude, Logical Reasoning, English and General Studies. You can prepare yourself through the ebooks as well. And not only that, you can also get yourself a particular subject book. For example, Quantitative Aptitude, Reasoning, English as well as the General Studies. So you can prepare through these various books. If you want to prepare along with the video lectures as well as the handouts, you have to click on Full Course, Show Package. There are various programs through which you can prepare. You get the video lectures as well as the handouts in this. If you think you are weak in a particular section, you simply have to click on the sectional courses, show packages. Here you get Quantitative Aptitude, English and Verbal Ability, Logical Reasoning and DIDS and DC. So you can work on your particular section as well. And the most important thing is the mock test. Click on mock test, choose a package from here as per your convenience and start with your first mock, because then only you will get a proper idea that how much preparation you still have to do. So guys, books does play a very important role in order to shape your score really well, and good score means you have a very good college and very good career opportunity. So once again, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.